Hi, welcome back to the channel. So back in August, I kind of started looking for business ideas, something that I could start generating some passive income with. And it took me a while, but I ended up thinking, what if I was to start a business doing online advertising? And so I took a couple months and really I studied it. I studied the industry, I studied small businesses, I studied big businesses, I studied advertising on all types of platforms, I studied online commerce. I studied to the point where I felt comfortable to start a company doing something like this. It got to the point where I had to go home for Christmas break, and so I went home with cash. And I had already kind of dabbled around before then. I made up some literature, made up a name, even approached a couple local companies. And ultimately I really didn't feel good about the path it was going. So when I met up with Cash, we kind of collaborated on that. We got a name set, we kind of got a strategy down, got a focus down on who we were going to, bring our business to. We assigned jobs, we kind of divvied up the workload, and we did some different things to prepare the company. After Christmas break, we kind of got the ball rolling. We actually got a few customers, we built a sort of online infrastructure for our business, figured out a way to take payments, got the ball rolling on legal paperwork, because that's a fun thing you've got to do, go bureaucracy. We also got a website, a Facebook page, and I'm going to show y'all some of that right now. So we're going to take a look first at kind of the file system. We're doing it on Google Drive, which is kind of cool because we can share it, but ultimately what we needed was a way to make everything a little more organized. And so we've got, a file for our keeping track of customers and whatnot. And then this is our website. There's still some typos and shit in it. It's a work in progress. It's nowhere close to done yet, but that's what we've been working on. We've also got, this is our Facebook. We got 16 people now following it. It's been up a week. Those are probably people I know mostly, but eventually the Facebook page will hopefully be a way people can find us. That all takes time though. One issue that we were having is that we were having a hard time basically making the sale to our customers. So what we started doing was kind of building a profile on potential clients, and so these are all potential clients we have, and then in here we have clients that we've already got, which some of the ones out there aren't in here. They should be. Hasn't been updated yet. But we've taken good use of these Excel sheets. They've proven to be pretty useful, I guess you could say. All that accounted for, starting a business has kept me pretty busy, and I'd be lying if I said I didn't drink more than a couple pots of coffee a day. But it's been fun, and it's been a work in progress, so hopefully soon I should have another video coming out on the actual business, and I want to start doing some videos that go over certain skills that I find useful in the business world, because I think that's a big contributor, and it's kind of hard to bring that type of stuff up in these YouTube videos. So, I'll make it happen, but till next time, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe.